Why do so few women choose STEM as a career? Girls are better than boys at math in 6th grade. Only 14% of teenage girls want to become scientists. When girls are shown what engineers do, they get interested. 66% of 4th grade girls like math and science. By college, only 18% of engineering majors are women. 30% of STEM researchers are women. Twice as many men pick STEM as a career than women. Don't let anyone rob you of your imagination, creativity, or curiosity. Choose STEM. Make a difference. Contact New Mexico Mesa to find out how.